Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can change your background of your WhatsApp chat right here. So you can see this is very simple and boring WhatsApp chat. You can see on the background is clearly simple, a gray background. So just you can change it with anything you want. So just go back and you can see upside right corner the three buttons. Just click on these. After that you just click on the settings option. So you can see the second option is chats. So just click on the chats here. So after that you just click on the second option. You can see the wallpaper here. So click on the wallpaper. After that you can see all these options. No wallpaper. First is second is gallery, third is solid color, what's wallpaper library default. So you can do whatever you want to choose. So just I have some pictures in my gallery, so I just click on the gallery app. After that I can just click on the downloads. You can see whatever the option you want. So after that you just go, I just choose this picture for my background for my chat. So just click on the set option here downside. So you can see wallpaper is set. So just go back and open your chat. So you can see it looks very attractive, and the Jennifer Lawrence picture is set on my background of my YouTube, sorry, background of my WhatsApp chat here. So with this you can easily set any wallpaper to your WhatsApp chats here. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.